All right, everybody, what are you looking at? The new iPhone 17 Pro, 6.3 inches, and the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, yes, I'm holding it this way. They look very similar from what you've seen before, but I'm gonna do a little rotation. And this is where you're gonna see the all-new plateau up top. This is housing new components, the camera, this aids, and also the thermals. This actual design has a vapor chamber for cooling. This has an A19 Pro chip inside. You're gonna get all the advantages of the new CPU performance, the new GPU performance, but overall 40% improved sustained performance with the A19 Pro inside these. Now, we're gonna also kind of go back here and pay attention. We have the new triple lens camera. The biggest new improvement is here. This is a 48 megapixel telephoto, but what's impressive about it is not only can you get 4x 100 millimeters, 8x telephoto zoom, crystal clear quality. You have the photonic engine that improves on the visuals that you'll get. That is all done here. So I can get a shot from all the way across the room. I can get a shot where I zoom in. This camera does it all. You also see this dual material design here. This is an aluminum unibody. So think of back in the day, right? The MacBook Air, that was aluminum unibody. The MacBook Pro designs, that was just one piece of engineered metal. This allowed them to also put in a larger battery inside of this as well. So you look at this design here, right? Thickness-wise, off the top of my head, it's probably, this is the Pro Max, just basically about the same, a little thicker. What's the thickness, right? Thickness-wise?
I don't have it.
See, it's okay. We're all here. We just got these in hand. Yes. Now on the front of the back, you also have ceramic shielding. So that's the ceramic shield too. So that's going to be 3 times for the actual surface if for dings and scratches protection-wise. You flip it over to the back, right? 4 times protection on there with ceramic shield. The other thing here that we need to talk about is also the camera here. This is the center stage camera, 18 megapixels. What makes it unique? I'm going to try and show this to you right now. So I'm going to go here and open up the camera app. Now, yes, you're not going to be able to completely see this, but what we have here is I'm going to flip this camera facing us. There's JK, right? But I'm going to try and do this. I'm facing me. Up here in the top, this center stage camera allows you to turn on auto zoom on and auto rotate. This is for photos. So this allows it to keep you centered in the image. You can actually see, depending on what is happening behind me, it might adapt and change. The other thing I want to show you is right here, this little button here, that allows you to zoom and rotate on the spot by hitting that button. So we can go vertical, we can go landscape. Don't need to do anything like this or that. It's all here down the button. That's because the sensor here is a square sensor in the 17 Pro and Pro Max. So twice the size as the previous. So overall, what I have impression-wise is, yes, these are Pro phones. I think users that want the best iPhone camera are going to enjoy this. Even here on the plateau, they actually put the antenna for the cellular signal, so that's improved as well. You're getting general incremental improvements, but I think the main thing that sticks out to me here is the design, the internal battery. They've pumped up the battery a whole lot. I believe something here on this 17 Pro Max gets somewhere around like 39 to 40 hours, whereas previously it was 33 hours of battery life. So you're actually getting performance and battery efficiency. This is what it looks like. You also have the option, right? Starts at $1,999. This is the 6.3 inch 17 Pro. That's also starts at 256 gig storage. If you want to go all the way up, the 17 Pro Max gets up to 2 terabytes of storage. That is beastie. So there you go here. We have your first look. Yes, I may not have gotten every single specific stat right, but you get what we're seeing here. First look at the new 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Pre-orders now and then available September 19th. Boom.